Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another Cursed City mini. This is one of the Deadwalker zombies. This is going to be a quick and dirty paint job as the sculpts don't really do it for me. They just seem kind of weird, so I want to get them done. She was primed in Vallejo Grey and I start off with dead flesh for all of that exposed skin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. I also stream on Twitch if you want to come and hang out. I stream Wednesdays, Thursdays and Sundays at around 8 PM UK time. Next up is the dress. For this I went with Crusted Sore. A darker colour made more sense since you don't really want zombies to be bright and colourful. For the wood panel on her back, I used charred brown to get the first colour, along with the dirt on top. I now add a bit of colour with army green on her headpiece. To get all the roots and wooden parts done, I grabbed Monster Brown. I also roughly painted the plank again, leaving some of that charred brown coming through to add variation. Next up are the metal parts. For these I went with rough iron as it made the most sense to keep that darker rundown look. Now for the brightest colour I used pure red to do the roses on her back as well as her eyes and mouth. To finish up before the wash, I used skeleton bone for the skull and her teeth. Before adding texture to the base, I give it a once over with black. This is probably not needed, but I always add it just in case the texture comes off, so there's black underneath instead of grey. Finishing up the Mini, I gave it an all-over wash of strong tone. And that will be it for the Deadwalker zombie. Kept it very quick and simple, as I'm really only going to change the clothing on this on the other ones, so everything else will be the same. If you have any questions though, feel free to drop them in the comments below, or you can join Discord using the link in the description. As always, there will be photos of this Mini on my Instagram and Ko-fi page. If you want to support the channel more than you already are, you check out my Ko-fi page where you can drop a one-off tip towards helping me get new equipment. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, don't forget to be kind to each other.